Okay, so we're playing.
The score 2-0. The next goal will prove to be decisive. It's with the defender now. Oh, determined challenge there. They have the ball again.
Days when we were all alone, if you
It's with the striker. Really well played. Good defending. Oh, they needed to get that one away, and they have. Ronaldo. Oh, he did really well there. Well taken by the goalkeeper. Keeper opts to throw this one out. Oh, he steps up to steal the ball. Pulls the hits in. It's low and accurate into the bottom corner. A real striker's finish, and the manager will be really pleased. It's 3-0 now. Oh, well timed. Well, that's great determination. They got it back. Sends it long. The defender's back on the ball. And there's the half-time whistle. Plenty of good football between these two.
Lol. Yep. Lol. 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 So this is right. Cristiano Ronaldo. 91 speed. 90 acceleration. 88 stamina. 79 strength. 46 tackling, 96 controlling, 86 passing, 84 crossing, 95 shooting, 87 hitting. 100. Lol. Nice.
Well, let's see if the losing side can conjure something special up. They have a mountain to climb here. The Still 45 minutes to play, and anything can happen. Well, that's great determination. Gets the shot in. His teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff.
Shut it!
It's now 4-0. We did really well there. He goes for goal, and this player's on form. 3 of the best for him. Well-worked and deserved goals from this player. The manager will be extremely pleased with his performance. They're winning, need to defend well here. Oh, he steps up to steal the ball, and they get it away. And he's back in possession. It's not a good challenge. Let's see that again. What a well-timed tackle. Sends it forward. Striker's ball.
Believe me, I will call your phone.
Intercepted. As a dish, simply no messing about there. Clean finish. It's just one after the other. For this team, the manager will be ecstatic. Passed inside. Good interception. Ronaldo. Ronaldo, 3 goals from a player in top form. He's been prolific today. It's his hat-trick, and he claims the match ball. Thoroughly deserved hat-trick from the player. Can he have a 4th now? Lovely passing here. What a well-timed tackle. And the referee signals for full time. The celebrations have really begun, and they've been crowned champions of Division 2. The moment they've all been waiting for, as a team are crowned Division 2 champions.
We would talk for days and never leave my home. I think about it. Always find a reason to be strung upon. Always wanted it, but when you break my heart, you would try and argue with me from the start. I can live without it. Come on and baby, take my hand now. Remember when we used to say now. Swear it all, we can, I swear we all.